Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is one of the largest Mercedes vehicle out there and also very luxurious because it is customized by Klassen and it contains a PlayStation 5 inside. So in this video I will show you the full exterior customizations. This is the extra long version of the Sprinter, hence the warning lights on the sides, and these lights are only for vehicles which exceed 6.5 meters. In the front you can already notice it is a complete new design, AMG style. It has a complete new front bumper, blacked out with the vertical lines, and this makes it look like a Sprinter 63 AMG. I mean, just check out the beautiful vertical lines in the grille, Klassen emblem and the complete blacked out front bumper. It even has vertical lines in the front diffuser. And I love the new LED high performance lights, originally from Sprinter. You can also order your Klassen with the PlayStation 5 inside and still the original body of the Sprinter, just like this one. So from the side you can see a fully blacked out design, and it also has a AMG style Klassen rims. Beautiful multi-spoke. So let's move over to the rear, which is even more mind-blowing. Just check out the AMG exhaust tips, a great mimic of AMG vehicles. It has the Klassen emblem and the vertical tail lights, VIP. Let's check out the trunk. Huge. Under the mat there is some extra storage space because you can lift this up. And underneath is this table that I mentioned that you can put over the cover. On the top it has an extra bar for your coat to hang. There it has the customized interior with a full brown leather. So let's go inside. It has an extra fridge. As you can see, I will just move the key aside. Wireless charging pad. And the fridge. So let's press the button for the electronics to work. A lovely interior, but let's quickly move to the rear side. So guys, right now we are sitting inside the interior of the Sprinter and it is amazing. You have 7 seats here, all individual. But the most important part, of course, is the new PlayStation. So I have the controller in my hand and I can activate it and enjoy the all new vibrating and emotion system. But before I do that, let's focus on the interior first. You have a complete decline and incline bench. There's also a button on the side for your extended footrest, so that you can lay all the way down. So let's put it back up. Furthermore, additional buttons for your heating and cooling. On the left side, a digital screen, touchscreen, so you can change the ambient lighting in the interior in a lot of different ways. Go back to home and there you can choose your roof side. And this changes the side of the roof. And you can also go to the sidewall colors. And last but not least, the pillars. And of course you have your extra lights. But I will put it to white color, and also the bar in the middle, the pillar and the sidebar. This actually looks like a bar. And of course on the floor some additional lights. On the right side you have a complete new air conditioning system. This is also an additional extreme heating system. So for winter conditions it will increase the temperature with 10 Celsius degrees in a matter of seconds. So guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram, the link is down below, and I have amazing content special for you about all new Mercedes-Benz vehicles and the most exclusive ones like Sprinter of Klassen. With the center part you can control the complete infotainment system of the vehicle. So you can go to all media, change the navigation, go to Bluetooth, the camera, telephone settings and a lot more. This is the new Apple TV device from Apple, full metal or aluminium, and you can just control it with the television screen in front of you. So I will go back to PlayStation, and therefore I will press the PlayStation button. And there you can hear the sound of activation. So let's enjoy. Just below the television screen you can see the IWC Schaffhausen clock. I will press on Klassen, and there we can start to play a game. But before I do that, again I want to show you more of the interior. It actually has a table that you can pull and extend by pressing the button over here. And there are also tables that you can fold out. And in the trunk there is an additional plate which you can put on top of it, which matches the brown interior. So let's put it back. And once you have the table forward, you can also rotate the seat. On the side you have these curtains, but you can also open them manually all the way. This is amazing. Beautiful leather stitching on the sides. So let's go to the last row. So sitting here in the last row, I can definitely say the sound of this surround sound system is amazing. Below here you do not have extended footrest, but the drawers. So you can press the button and just extend it. Amazing. It has USB-C connectivity slots and cup holders on the side. This is a great cruiser for on the road. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the Sprinter, Klassen and the PlayStation 5. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.